Hi Satish,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good, Satish. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side, Satish. So before
Okay.
starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Satish, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Okay. My name is Sathish Jainapur. Basically, I am from Vijayapur, but I am staying in Goa. I have completed my engineering in KL Engineering of College Belagavi.
Okay, how did you get to know about CMTI, Satish?
Actually, one of my relatives referred about this, and also from the college time itself, I was in the group of the CMTI. There was a group which was made in our college CMTI group. I was in there. So from that I got to know about this CMTI.
Okay, so what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your college syllabus?
In college, they only teach only theoretical subjects, but here in CMTI, all they teach is what they are needed in the sites. Exactly, they are to how to calculate the bar bending schedule, how to read the drawings, and all they teach, which is basics for a site engineer. So as to go out on work and do the work.
Okay, fine. So, can you tell me about our trainer Natarajan sir and Ashok sir? How was Ashok sir guidance of interview as well as career? Can you tell me about that?
Yes, sir. Ashok sir helped very much in cracking the interview, how to face the people, and how to talk the people, and what should be the mindset of a people, how to be in the future, how and all. And Natarajan sir also he taught us about the subject, reading of drawings and all. He was a very good person and kind person. He also taught us good.
So, coming to your confidence level, Satish, before
Yes.
joining CMTI and after joining CMTI, any changes in that?
Yes, ma'am. Before I had not that so confidence in me. After joining CMTI, my basic was good, so I am confident enough to go and tackle the things in the site.
Okay. So, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೈಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸತೀಶ್?
Yes, ma'am, very good. We had visited the Victoria Hospital site. The Redappa sir we had taken us. He told us about the top to bottom, what all are things are there in the site, how to tackle the points he has told.
Okay. So, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Yes, ma'am. In CMT app, there are offline recorded videos in which you can refer at any time whenever you can want. So that's a very useful app. I wish everyone should use it.
Okay, fine. So, yeah. What about CMTS staffs? How was their coordination throughout the process?
All are very good, ma'am. All are very coordinative to us. All are helpful, ma'am.
Fine. So, finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Satish?
So I feel it is a good opportunities you can take. So you should not say no to any opportunities. You should grab any opportunities. So CMT is a it provide a good base for all engineers.
Fine. Thank you, Satish. Thank you for your feedback. I hope all the best for your future, Satish. And
Thank,
once again, congratulations for your placements. Thank you so much, Satish.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you.